Hi, everybody. A quick note as you're finishing your Google Slides presentations for this weekend, please make sure before you submit your assignment that your presentation has a title. Yes, everybody should have an introductory title slide that you can see here, but you also want to make sure that the presentation document also has a title. That's up here in the top left corner. Right now, my presentation is untitled. You can put whatever you want in the space, but it should have your name and one or two keywords that connect to the topic of the presentation. I'm going to keep mine simple. I'm going to use the same title here as I have in my first slide. This is part of the digital literacy section of your evaluation. So please ensure that this corner is complete and that your presentation has a title before you submit your assignment. That's it for now.